guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephanie. If you guys are new, I'm going to insert a little picture of my Instagram so you guys can follow me. I basically post every single day of some daily outfit inspiration, and I post on YouTube usually 1 to 3 times a week. Definitely trying to do more in this new year. But welcome to my channel if you guys are new here, and if you are old, then thanks for sticking along this long. But anyway, the point of today's video is I really want to review with you guys the Gucci Dionysus GG Supreme small shoulder bag. This is what it looks like. It is stunning. This is the taupe color. Sorry, I'm just looking on my laptop on neimanmarcus.com just so I could get the exact name of it, the color, and the price. So this bag retails for $2,290. I am obsessed with this bag. I think it is gorgeous. I've been wanting it for so long. What I love is that you could do short strap or long. You could do so many different options with this bag. So basically, I work with a bag rental service in this city called Vervel, and I actually purchased this bag through them at a discount. So I probably got a few $100s off, and I'm obsessed with it. It was barely used before I bought it. But quickly, I kind of wanted to give you guys a quick review, but I also wanted to show you how much you could fit in this. You could fit so much in it. This is actually packed right now, and I feel like you can't even tell because it's not even extended. Sorry if you guys hear the sirens. I'll wait a second. New York probs. Okay, so basically it just has the basic side snap that a lot of them have. You open it up and it's this gorgeous taupe suede. What I also like is that this, I didn't know this was kind of like their traditional canvas. So it's really nice because it doesn't stain. It kind of feels like it's like a canvas. So it's similar to like a plastic material. It's not cloth here. This is the only cloth you have to worry about. And since only a little bit of it shows, you don't really have to worry about that getting dirty. It's not like it's the entire bag. So this is what it looks like. Let me give you guys a close-up. I mean, obviously I don't want everything to fall out. What I love is that this middle portion has a zipper, so you could put stuff if you're going out at night, you want to put your lipstick, your wallet, your credit cards, in case, you know, sometimes stuff falls out of your bag. If you zip it in there, it really won't. And what I also like is that this inner pocket is lined with this. So I put my perfume, my travel perfumes, any liquids in there, so if it does spill, it's not getting on the gorgeous suede that's everywhere else. So let me kind of give you guys a quick walk down of everything. First off, let me make sure you guys are seeing this. So in this back main compartment, I hope you guys can see, I'm gonna quickly walk you through what I have in here because this is everything that I need on a daily basis, so I'm sure you too. First off, hand sanitizer. I live in a dirty city, you gotta have it on me no matter the purse. I have my wallet. So I used to have a large wallet, and then I've noticed I've just been using smaller handbags, so I just used this little coin holder from Louis Vuitton. This is perfect because it has my keys on it, and it's the perfect amount to hold all my credit cards, my ID, stuff like that. I do try to put cash in this as well, but usually I just throw it in my bag. So yeah, I've just been using this for over a year now because I feel like most of my bags are smaller anyway, so it's just easy. I have a pack of gum. I love to chew gum, so I always have that with me. I have my AirPods. Living in the city, I'm always using earpods or AirPods, whatever they're called, to answer phone calls because it's so loud walking on the street, or to listen to music. So I have these with me at all times. These are like my prized possession. I cannot go a day without them. And then obviously I'm filming on my vlog camera, but I had an old one because this one broke. So I just put it in here to show that you can fit your camera in here. Anytime I'm vlogging, this bag is perfect because it fits in here no problem. This is just the Canon G7 Mark 1. I upgraded to the Mark 2, so this is just my old one. But I figured I would show you guys for size. So in this middle compartment, moving on here, I keep my lipstick because just in case, sometimes the lipstick gets on like the side of the bottle, and I've noticed in my other bags it gets on the part of the bag, and I don't want that to happen to this one, so I keep it in here because I know I could clean that easily. I have my travel perfume. This is the Untitled 33 from Leigh, my favorite scent ever. I have the full bottle at home, and then I like to bring a travel one with me so I can refresh during the day. And then I just have a bunch of cash in here. Like I said, I just kind of end up throwing my cash, not taking the time to put it in my wallet. I have a bunch of change down there. What is this? When I was home, my mom gave me like a long silver chain I wanted, and now it's all tangled. Gotta fix that. Forgot I had that. Okay, and then in this front pocket, this front main, which I try not to put bulky stuff in here because then I notice this is harder to close, so I put bulky stuff in the front. I just usually keep Oh, well, this is just my receipt from Topshop. I went to Topshop the other day. I keep a pair of sunglasses no matter what I'm wearing the most of this week. These are just my new pair that I'm loving. I like to put that in the front so it doesn't get smushed, and that's like the really only thing in there. But as you can see, this fits a lot of stuff. It's everything that I need for a day-to-day basis. I'm trying to even think what else I would really need. I've never been one to carry like powder for my face or anything like that, but there's plenty of extra room in here if you do carry some more makeup with you. So for size wise, I think that's what I love most about this bag. You could just fit so much in it without it looking, you know, like overstuffed and gross. I also like that this bag is perfect for going out or perfect for during the day. Usually at night I wear it like this, either on my shoulder or hold it, and then during the day I usually wear it a little bit longer so it's a little bit more casual. But it is the perfect everyday bag. Usually I do wear a bigger bag, but this is actually the perfect size for me, and it is good for going out. So overall, I think the size is just perfect. Like I said, that's what I like about it the best. I do think that this is such an on-trend bag right now. Gucci is so hot, and I really loved everything about this bag. I liked the taupe color because I know this comes in different colors. I personally have so many black handbags that I wanted the taupe just to kind of make it more of a neutral. This to me is good for any season. You could definitely wear it summer, even though it is suede. Like, it's such a neutral color. It would look great in summer, and then you could also wear it in fall and winter as well, which I have been doing. So I'll insert some photos of me that I've already styled this bag. I think this bag is so worth the money. I know it is a lot, but I love Gucci. It's definitely my favorite brand at the moment, so I'm so happy with this purchase, and I would definitely go back in time and purchase it again. But if you guys have any other further questions on this, definitely let me know. I would say I've had this bag for 2 months now, and the only wear and tear that I could tell, which I've watched a lot of reviews on YouTube, and they all say the same thing. See that little round circle? That's from this clasp sitting on the suede. So that is really the only faulty thing that I've noticed with this bag, but I know everyone says that, even with the black suede, so I think it's just kind of like a manufacturer issue. But I think my suede has held up really nice. I'm not like crazy about it. Like, obviously I take really good care of it, but I'm definitely not psycho about it. There also is this front pocket here. What's in here? A Starbucks gift card. I don't even know. But I don't really use this, but this is really good if you have anything safe that you want to keep in there and you don't like cash or anything. But yeah, so much storage for a little bag. I think this bag is beautiful, so well made, so sturdy. I just feel really good wearing it. I feel confident wearing it, and it just really helps to finish off any outfit. But like I said before, if you have any other questions on this bag, definitely comment down below and I'll try to answer every single one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this video is useful if you are thinking of buying a Gucci bag, or this one in particular. I say do it if you can. Obviously don't like go into debt buying a bag. That's never a good idea. But if you are in the market for buying it, I definitely think it's worth it. I don't think it's too late. I know that this bag has been hot now for probably 2 years, but I am still wearing it almost every day, still getting so many compliments on it, so I still think it's very much worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.